Hello everyone. We have started lesson number 16, water, a precious resource. In the last video we have seen water cycle and different forms of water. We have seen water cycle, water evaporates, and form water vapors, then condensation, and last is precipitation. Now in this we have seen water cycle and its importance. Now today we are going to see groundwater and water table. What is groundwater and what is water table? So we'll see that. Before that we'll see activity 16.1 what is given, 16.3 what is given in the textbook. Figure 16 point shows the process involved in the water cycle. They are labeled by numbers. Match these numbers with the process given in the jumbled form. Most towns and cities have water supply system maintained by the civic bodies. The water is drawn from nearby lakes, rivers, ponds or wells. The water is supplied through a network of pipes. Many villages do not have such a water supply system. There people fetch water directly from the sources. Often people and even children have to walk several kilometers to fetch water. The children suffer a lot. They cannot attend school regularly since they spend hours in fetching water. A large number of people draw water from wells, tube wells or hand pumps. From where do these sources get water? Now what is given here? First thing, the picture is given of water cycle. The words are given in the jumbled form that you have to write in proper way. Numbers are given shown in the figure. Do that first. So for that, see here page number 196, figure number 16.5. So what is given there? First is underground water, the jumbled form. Second is evaporation. Third is not written here. Fourth is clouds. Fifth is transparent air. Sixth is infiltration. And last is precipitation. Now what is third one? Condensation. Yes. Third is condensation. So these are the different labeling given there. You can correct it and with pencil write in your textbook. So now we'll start with groundwater. What is groundwater? See picture here. Groundwater looks quite like this. Underground water. Okay, so we'll do one by one. If we dig a hole in the ground near a water body, we may find that the soil is moist. Yes, we find the soil. आतमध्ये जी माती असते अंडरग्राउंड, आपण जर खड्डा खांदला तर ती ओली लागते. The moisture in the soil indicates the presence of water underground. If we dig deeper and deeper, we would reach a level where all the space between particles of soil and gaps between rocks are filled with water. This figure, by watching this figure, you will understand. The upper level of this layer is called water table. You can see in the picture water table. Upper layer is shown in the brown color. Arrows are shown there. The water table varies from place to place and it may even change at a given place. The water table may be at a depth of less than a meter or may be several meters below the ground. The water found below the water table is called groundwater. Now you can see blue color portion below water table, that is groundwater. The rainwater and water from other sources such as rivers and ponds seeps through the soil and fills the empty spaces and cracks deep below the ground. The process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration. Okay, that process of seeping water. Seeping म्हणजे काय तर शोषून घेतलं जातं. We sip, no? आपण सिप करतो. एखादा ड्रिंक असेल तर आपण सिप करून पितो. सो व्हॉट इज सिपिंग? तर ते जे पाणी आहे ते शोषून घेतलं जातं. ओके, दॅट इज सिपिंग. द प्रोसेस ऑफ सिपिंग ऑफ वॉटर इन टू ग्राउंड इज कॉल्ड इन्फिल्ट्रेशन. नाउ सी हियर, इन्फिल्ट्रेशन इज शोन हियर. how it occurs. तर आपण जेव्हा पाणी बाहेर ओढतो फ्रॉम द अंडरग्राउंड वॉटर, सी द प्रोसेस हॅज शोन हियर. Porous soil is present, big rocks are present, then below that water is there, and the lower portion is rock. So there are, in such a way we remove the water. This blue color portion you see, the pipeline has shown from that hand pump to the water level. So water मध्ये ते hand pump चा पाईप डीप झाले. So from here water is sip म्हणजे शोषून घेतलं जातं. Okay, by this way infiltration process occur. At places the groundwater is stored, see here again in picture this, stored between layers of hard rock below the water table. This known as aquifer. Okay, the hard rock which is present between layers, underground layer, they are known as aquifer. Okay, below the water table, see water table is here, you will understand more here. At places the groundwater is stored between layers of hard rock and below water table. This is known as aquifer. It is shown here. Okay, the black color arrow shows the portion of aquifer. Water in the aquifers can be usually pumped out with the help of tube wells or hand pumps, as shown in this picture. Have you ever been to a site where construction's work is going on? From where do the workers get water for construction? Maybe you have seen boring being done at such sites to reach the water table. Inquire from the people working there how deep they have to dig. Can we keep on drawing water from under the ground? How will it affect the water table? Now we are removing the underground water for our use. Now in the bungalows also there are bore system, boringचं पाणी. So they also remove the water with the help of motors and all that for their daily use. Now we are using this water more and more. See, construction sites, factories, industries, houses, big bungalows, we all remove this underground water for our use. But what are the effects of that? That we are going to study in the next point, that is depletion of water table. Okay, water table, you understand, water table is the portion below which water is present, and that only water we use for our needs. So what effects occur when we remove underground water, that we are going to study in the next point. For today you try to understand the figure given here and the different layers shown here and read from the lesson. You can draw the diagram also for your more understanding. Draw the picture with the help of pencil in a rough notebook, so you will remember the different layers of underground water. So for today we stop here. Thank you.